ये कट कर दो. But looks. Good morning, little slots. It's so bright outside. So I woke up very late, and which is why I'll have to rush the intro. But today's video is going to be about what I eat in a day, cheat day edition. Let me know if you guys want me to like post my diet. Let me know if you guys want me to post what I eat in a day when I'm dieting. But today is gonna be all about my cheat day, which I'm so excited for. I've been waiting for a whole week, you know, every night at like 1 a.m. when I get hungry. I just like I used to think that as soon as my cheat day comes, I'm gonna eat this. Like I have a fucking list of everything I wanted to eat, and I'm going to eat that now. But for now, let's just rush because I have to make pasta. Honestly, I look so dull, and I've been like sleeping in this t-shirt for 2 days. I'm gonna wear it again tomorrow, like again at night. I know it's just so comfortable, and I'm so unemployed right now. So I haven't taken a shower or anything yet because I told my mom that I would like wake up early and make the pasta. Look at the stuff kept behind, that's all my stuff. I told her I'd wake up early and make my pasta, and it's 12:30 right now, so I'm just quickly gonna make it and that'll be my breakfast. This is the best pasta recipe on this planet, okay? Just put some butter, then put some maida on it, keep mixing it, keep whisking it, put some milk on it according to your own preference, however much you're making. Then put some seasoning, some namak, some mirch, some oregano, some chili flakes and all that. Keep mixing it, and then put your cheese slice. You can also put amul cream because I put it, and then just fucking slap your pasta inside. This is honestly the easiest and the best pasta recipe ever. Let me know if you guys try it. I'm done making it and all that. I'm just taking it to my sister's. Like, she literally lives in the next house. And oh my god, it's so hot. I want her to taste it and test it because she always calls my pasta mid. So let's see if she likes this one. सच बताओ. नहीं आपको तो बताओ अच्छा क्या है. Hello Namisha Mehra. Oh my god, look at me sweating. But I gave that to my sister and got whatever reaction, they liked it and all. In exchange, she gave me a cheesecake in the most garib plate ever. But looks. I must say, आपके cheesecake में काफी layers तो हैं. ठीक है. I can't even. The fuck is this? I can't even begin to tell you guys how hot it is in Delhi. Like मैं 1 मिनट के लिए मैं अपने इस घर से दूसरे घर गई थी और like my face was red. It's so bad. But anyway, everybody loved the pasta. Obviously, this is the only thing that I make properly, and a lot of you guys asked for the recipe also, which I gave you. And now, you know how our mom used to say that itni garmi mein khana bana ke like they don't have an appetite anymore. The same literal thing is happening to me. Like I'm not hungry at all, and it's 3:40. I haven't had anything since morning. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and watch some Gossip Girl. I'm sweating, bro. The AC is on. Anyway, let me do an actual taste test for you guys because I am the cook. It's been over a week since I've had like proper carbs, especially maida, and this just doesn't feel real food to me. Like I don't know how sad that is, but I like it. It's very cheesy and all that. It has all the proper seasonings. But I didn't have spaghetti, and you know spaghetti takes a little longer to cook than macaroni, so I think I've overcooked the pasta. But other than that, the sauce is amazing. Like, I'm not even lying. You should definitely try it. If you like understood everything when I was explaining it in my recipe and all that, then you should definitely try it, and then just let me know if you like it or not. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you guys when I have my next meal. खा ले। मैं फाइनली अपनी फेवरेट चीज़ खा रही हूँ 1-1.5 हफ्ते बाद, which is shawarma. मेरे को इतनी भूख लगनी चाहिए थी, बट ये कब से भूखी है। मैंने कब से 6 बजे के बाद खाना नहीं खाया भाई। मैं चलो तो 6 बजे खाना बस खत्म कर देती है 6 बजे। नहीं, उसके बाद भाई मैं सिर्फ सैलेड और वो खाती हूँ ना, गंद कुछ, मतलब
अच्छा खाना जो ये हेल्दी खाने को गंद बोल रही है। एग्जैक्टली। शॉर्मा में कोई गंद नहीं है, मतलब इन्हें देख ले, मक्खी तो नहीं निकली होगी इसमें।
एक बार हम लोग मोमोज खाने आए थे और
ये लोग मैं नहीं खाती है मच्छर वाले मोमोज,
उसमें कोई मच्छर या कुछ था, हमारे साथ कृतिका थी।
तो मैं प्यांशी कहती कि वो कहती यार इसमें तो मच्छर है, ये कैसे खाएं? प्यांशी कहती तो क्या हुआ? तो ये खाने का हो गया।
It's just
now it's edible.
It's just a little extra protein. मुर्गी खाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
उसके हाथ पैर नहीं सोचते हैं, तब ये मच्छर नहीं खा पाएंगे, लेकिन हम मच्छर या मक्खी whatever it बहुत पाए।
लक्षणा वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैंने एक बार अपने ये ना, मेरी मम्मी बहुत टेस्टी चिकन राइस बनाती है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये ग्रेवी साइड
चिकन भी सही ट्रॉमा में हूँ, शक्ल से लग रहा है।
चिकन का पीस साइड करके ग्रेवी खा लेती है उसमें से। और भाई ये इनको इतनी क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मेरे खाने से, मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हैं। तो मैंने चिकन के पीस इतने छोटे छोटे कर करके बिल्कुल श्रेडेड पीस कर दिए कि इसकी सारी बाइट में सिर्फ चिकन आए, चावल की जगह।
मतलब कोई कितना बुरा हो सकता है, अपने ऊपर कितने बुरे कर्म ले सकता है एक लाइफ में, उसका कोई हिसाब नहीं है।
तो तुझे क्या लगता है जब हम जाएंगे
तो अपनी माँ चुदा ले बिल्कुल ही, ठीक है? होने ही नहीं वाला है ऐसा, तो ऐसी लात मारूंगी ना तेरे को, ओशन में ही जाएगी ऐसी तैरती हुई। बकवास कर रही है
थोड़ा सा तो खा ही सकती है। ट्राई
बिल्कुल नहीं खाना मेरे को भाई, मैं पूरे रोज पीटा के पोस्ट शेयर करके वहां जाके चिकन ठूसूं। हाँ क्या बात है।
हम अपने सेकंड स्टॉप पे आ चुके हैं, विच इज गोलगप्पे। मेरा जिम बिल्कुल लेफ्ट में है भाई, अगर मेरे ट्रेनर ने देख लिया बोला
ये जाती नहीं है, जिम बिल्कुल मेरे लेफ्ट में है
भाई। मैं अभी जब थोड़े दिन पहले गई थी तो अरुण कहता बहुत दिन बाद आए हो, मेरा ट्रेनर।
क्योंकि मैं यहाँ रहती नहीं थी उल्लू के पट्टे।
और अब हम जा रहे हैं गोलगप्पे खाने।
एग को खाने से कोई मरता नहीं है, बट एग को निकालने में उनको बहुत स्लॉटर दिया जाता है
भाई। वो खुद ही एग ले करते हैं, उनको
नहीं, वो खुद नहीं करते हैं, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे पिंजरों में बंद कर करके रखा जाता है ताकि वो ज़बरदस्ती एग्स ले करें, और उनसे एक दिन में
तो अब तो अगर तू जैसे एक खा भी लिया तूने, ठीक है, तो वो तो अब ऑलरेडी हो चुका है,
तो क्या मेरे भाई वेस्ट क्या फिर? अगर इतनी एग की प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं होगी तो इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस उनको ज़बरदस्ती करनी ही नहीं पड़ेगी ना उनके साथ।
अब मैं तेरा
तो ले दूँ,
तेरा कैंसिल करने के लिए मैं 4 एग खा लूँगी। I got back like a couple hours before, and it's like around 1 a.m. right now, and this is the fucking devil's time where I get so hungry. Like, I can't even tell you. I'm telling you because I stopped having dinner because of that, like because I'm dieting. Because of that, I get so hungry around like 12 to 1. But obviously I can't like eat it because I'm on a diet. But today I ordered myself a burger from Burgermeister. So I really wanted to have this other burger from this place called Louis Burger. Like, their truffle mushroom burger is so good. Like, I'm not even like kidding. It's the best vegetarian burger I've had in my life. So, but that was short. So I got this classic American cheeseburger from Burgermeister. I smell so good. Fucking it. It took me a good 2 to 3 minutes just to open it. I know when I'm gonna have carbs again at night, but it's a burger. Looks so good. Let's do a quick little taste test. I'm gonna take like the perfect bite. So it's actually so good. I've never had Burgermeister before. This is like pretty famous and all. I like to stick to my McDonald's, but this is so good. Like, just look at how much shit it has. This burger is so huge. I fucking got all the sauce on my face. I'm telling you, I honestly feel like, you know, if you can control your hunger, you can literally control anything. At least that's the case for me, because food is something that would make you happy regardless. Like, food makes me fucking happy. Like, I just start dancing. And since I started dieting, I've been like in a crappy, like I just crib a lot all the time. Or it could be because of my period also. But this is amazing. It just makes me appreciate life. Anyway, I'm gonna have this burger and I'm just gonna enjoy it. I can't even talk. I just wanna fucking eat it. I love burgers so much that I literally named my dog Burger. That's how much I fucking love burgers.